Good morning, I'm Fitz, and welcome to this week's Monday Morning Minute. This morning, we'd like to talk to you about post-restoration oral hygiene. Dr. Shakin feels very strongly on this topic, as does the rest of our team at Shakin First. And we've done Monday Morning Minutes on this before, but we can't overemphasize the importance of appropriate oral hygiene after the mini dental implant procedure has been done. What Dr. Shakin does first is he puts every single one of his mini dental implant patients on a regular recall schedule. Now, we also need to help them to maintain those restorations at home. That's why Dr. Shakin gives every patient one of these Shakin First sonic toothbrushes with our H2O flosser built in at no charge, along with post-op instructions on how to properly care for their new mini dental implant restorations, which can be found in this brochure available from Shakin First. We encourage you to do the same for your patients. It's a very small expense, and your patients will really appreciate it. We offer these new kits that has the sonic toothbrush and the H2O flosser built into one at a very affordable price. When you buy 11, you get the 12th free. Every patient would love to take this home with them. This helps you to become a partner in your patient's dental health. Last week, we were down at the Florida Dental Convention in Orlando. It was absolutely awesome. Dr. Shakin lectured to about 85 dentists on Saturday, June 26th, and we had a great response on mini dental implants and minimally invasive implant procedures. So I just wanted to remind you that on August 6th and 7th, we will be down at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida for our 2-day course. This year, Dr. Shakin's offering 50% off tuition, which is a phenomenally inexpensive way to get CE credit. There's been an extension on the discounted room rate, so make it a point to sign up before July 7th to get the discounted rate on the rooms right at Disney. It's a phenomenal deal, and it's an excellent, excellent course. So if you haven't been there, come on down because it'll be great. Bring your family with you. We bring you to the Ice Cream Social Saturday night, front row for the fireworks display. It's a lot of fun. Bring your family, come see us in Disney on the 6th and 7th of August. And remember, the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants meeting this year will be held down in Nashville, Tennessee on September 24th and 25th. Please make it a point to go to that one. That's going to be an excellent 2-day event. So give us a call today at 1-888-4SHAKIN or go to our website, shakinfirst.com, and sign up today and see all of our courses for the remainder of the year. And we look forward to seeing you on the next Monday Morning Minute. Have a great week placing mini implants. We'll see you next Monday.